Hi, I'm Yuri, and we're here at the Application Development and DevOps Zone. I'm here with Aja from Cloud Advocacy. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So why don't you tell us what is it that we're showing here this week?
So I've got two demos that I'm working on here showing Stackdriver, which is our resiliency and monitoring and APM framework for Google Cloud. One of our demos is showing how it shows you the various errors. We've got a big giant panel with a whole bunch of different buttons and stuff you can hit, and each one of those causes a different kind of error, and then you can see it reflected in the dashboards in real time. We've got another demo that's showing the dashboard status of all of the different interactive demos we have on the showcase floor this year. And so you can see what it looks like when you have a bunch of different demos using Stackdriver, and it kind of gives you an idea of what it might look like if you had a bunch of microservices or something else using Stackdriver. So in the error-causing demo, we've got a giant big button that takes down the load balancer. We've got another big button that simulates like an EPO, emergency power-off switch in a data center. And those buttons will take down various aspects of the compute infrastructure, load balancer, individual compute nodes. And then we also have a patch panel where you can cause various errors. And we've got some load generation buttons so that you can just hammer on them and generate load. If you like breaking stuff, if you have that little chaos generator type thing in you, this is the perfect demo for you.
Awesome. So I'm going to be hitting buttons, we're going to be flipping switches, stuff is going to break. What is Stackdriver going to show us?
So we're showing a couple different parts of Stackdriver. I've got the error reporting screen, so when we cause an error, you'll see the error show up, and you'll see that it last happened just now. But you'll also see in the logs, you'll see all the messages going to this GKE application that we're breaking. In the monitoring, you'll see that our latency goes up on our uptime checks, or maybe uptime check fails, and that the uptime on the various nodes fails.